cooking maize with.
Yanja ba kona now to come into tomorrow.
David, you find it now. Baku wenga.
We.
Yen tutu se fashion jana. Ah, fashion.
Aba bin sisia. We ya na ko pe mi ba.
Ah?
Ya.
Ebe sumi.
Anso.
Me didi yo.
Oh, ane ni ba.
Alright guys, so I just finished washing. You saw me in my live video washing. I just finished washing and I came here to Kabakaba's head, and then I'm very hungry. So this is my food for the afternoon. My lunch. Can you imagine? That's my lunch. So yeah, we just went to harvest this from the farm. Kabakaba went to harvest it. He said we should go together, and I said no, I'm not going. So more. So that I'll add more water. Omo yen kwan ma.
So no do.
Edoso.
Oh.
Kabakaba says we want to add cassava to that thing. I said I wanted cassava. Sometimes if I'm hungry, I don't know. I feel like I can eat everything in the world. It's crazy. Wow.
You see, queer for day.
Come on, do that.
Oh, you with that. I don't get it. I was we are here. Missy Ada. You see a bank in a general.
Farming is good, though, guys. Backyard farming.
What did
Backyard farming, no. You are hungry, you just come to the backyard, approach something, and you are good to go. If you don't have money, you can still eat. Like how I do not have money today. Just one just one root, oh. Look at how plenty it is. Yes. Ah.
Ma, you know what fana kan sa.
Omu diele.
Machine na gusu ya bibia ho.
Ebron.
Kwa fo bi wo se fom no tekere Hannah Johnson. Ma.
Na ebron ube riadia, ube dia.
Na wodi. Aho. Aho yeye. Banki dia ba dua na okitwa sana na. Baba wa ma ya dua. Mpa wasem
So we are going to boil this thing for food. If you boil it for food, you have to scratch the skin after removing the peels, right? And then you separate it. You open it and remove there's some kind of thread in between it.
Yeah, but far dear man wants to sing gum.
So I'll put
Johanna silver way. Into Senogum,
I'll just add it to the maize. If I'm hungry, you don't know. I feel like I'm so hungry, I can eat everything.
Hard work.
Hey, this thing is watery. I hope it will be.
Garawe. Oh.
Yeah, Kolawe ase kabaka.
Nipa wara no bayasa.
Bayasa munde.
Bayasa mbo.
Bayasa munde because say I did me say ba obeka to say oh. We emba na ya shese say dey be yen. It's one can say oh cha keke ya keke na me. Auntie. Then the part of the worry me dey be ase man ka. Enye
Dana bro.
Enye ntro. Okay, time to wash it.
And there be so.
Some crazy kind of cooking. They say me to try no kitten. Very kese.
Fucking one too. Oh, our honeymoon.
Waka about you. Ukasa, ubese hamiara.
Oh, my summon, hey.
I want this one to go beneath it.
Can't hear honeymoon.
Maybe soon Accra.
Janson, aye. I didn't cut us.
Coexisting. With the fowls. Talk about confederate. You guys, what is wrong with you? Yeah, I don't know about that. Ooh, let's check on our food. It's cooking, boiling. The water is too small. Guys, we are purposely doing this thing because I don't want to say, but sometimes I just want to foundation the plates before I eat inside. I took about this water is too small. He said it's okay. Water is too small. The cassava is okay, so I'm just removing that one. It is soft now. As for maize there, it needs more water to cook well. That's why I added more water. Talk about my meal, no. Me, Papa.
Did you catch you? And you have the money for a Tatiana. I don't
Johnny.
I come up to. I don't want to be a
cook on. Because say will confirm. I cook a Baku. Hey, this eggs, only one hen has laid this egg. Wow, 20 eggs. Wow. Because me to Mindy. Who said Bruno Cram to me, Andy? Oh, Miss I am me out. Oh, so indeed the maiden already. Omudi.
Omudi.
Wow.
You see, Coco Cramon and I've been saying, oh, yeah, post net there. Omoy.
Sir.
Because Johnson, I'm quite nice and can't go to Shankwala.
Well, eh, I answer people.
I answer you. I am a grand one. This is the garden of boys.
Who's a one and wow. I bought a yell. You pack and pay what I'm saying.
Aye.
Done with the cassava, coming for the maize. Hi. I hope it's not hard though, because the way I cooked it, that's not the way it's supposed to be cooked. The water just have to be plenty at once, just enough. And then we use small water. Then we came and poured another water. If you cook maize like that, sometimes you don't get the right softness that you need. Away. away. Kwansasa yo. Ebrona ye ready oh.
Tomorrow ula. Yara pa yasa kalna. Una ya mahal.
Wait, you be fa.
Ya mahal mau. Yo. Yeah, na zone zege.
Come on. Abi. $14 boy. And Akabakaba is saying that he's matured and he can I don't even know how to put it.
I mean,
chewing corn. Boiled corn. Enjoyment be what? This is my own enjoyment. Oh well, Ebrona to say. Oh yeah, we are made a merry watching. So soft, guys. Very soft. Huh?
I like you.
So you are giving it to her because you like her.
I like you.
So when you give it to her, you are marrying her.
It's like a girl. Come
on. I beg you. So this is Kabakaba's dowry.
I like you.
Because he says he's giving it to the woman because he likes the woman.
It's true. Overall, it's true. I like you. When you get for there,
Hey,
you 5. One day, I want to get out.
why no?
Winning now, Jano, what is a proper member? When you go to after 2 months, Jai isn't an Ayutama, Obasan, Jai.
Mr. John, you come, Fen.
But it can't. I didn't get my.